Country where illiteracy grows like weeds, choking the very heart of our future.
In the country where with every step forward, the shadow of corruption pulls us two steps back.
In the country of the lost, even the brightest star fail to find their way.
In a country where the dreams of yesterday's got down, today's struggles got you.
In a country where a nation divided by strife, where even unity is a distant, forgotten memory.
In a country where immense laughter filled the air, now only the words of despair below.
What is the future of the nation when its youth left to wander in the dark?
In a country where the land cries out for justice, but its voice is lost in winds and indifference.
In a country of hope, now only shadows of the dreams haunt the desolate streets. In the country where the future once bright is now clouded with the dust for broken dreams.
A country where the streets echo with the cries of the broken, I jump fade into dust.
In the country where, in the heart of this land, the song for justice is drowned by the carries of the forsaken.
In country where the land of illness and become and struggles and sorrow.
In the country where I hope for the light silent is back of your vast silent death.
In the silence of the night, the carries and unemployment ever bright in every corner. Promises were made like fading stars, they vanish before dawn.
In a country where justice is a distant dream, what is left to ready to hold on it?
Sacrifice has become our daily bread, and yet the harvest is a forever burn.
In the country where the weight of disappeared drags us down while are but fleeting embers.
In a country where in the garden of on thrones remains flowers on bloom.
In a country where the silence of the oppressed is louder than the voices of the powerful.
In a country, the dreams we hear there are now whispered in the wind fading in the passing days.
In the country where the education of our historic brother were promised lost in the outcome.
So, in a country where every hope we held is climbing like dust, slipping through.
In the country where the rich build castles in the sky, while the poor are buried beneath the of promises. The hands that once sowed seeds of hope now reap only the harvest of despair.
That bleed for a future that slip through our fingers like sand, leaving nothing but empty. In a country where unemployment is a silent killer suffocating the dreams countless souls.
In a country where hope once bloomed, now only shadow dance in the wind.